Ndewo. Today I'm with my kids and we're doing a life lesson, learning simple commands pertaining to grooming and self-care. At the end of this program, we'll have a quiz. There's a link to download a free printable worksheet in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. This little boy is taking his bath. So, how do I say take your bath in Igbo?
Wow.
Waro or neto?
Sahu.
Sahu. Good. So we say sahu or waro. Take your bath. Great. So how do I say brush your teeth in Igbo? Norma.
Tatu.
Ta'atu or ona?
Seze.
Great. Okay, so let's repeat it again properly. Say it properly. Saeze.
Saeze.
Ta'atu.
Ta'atu.
Great. Afi, this person is washing his hands. So how do you say wash your hands in Igbo?
ụmụaka.
ụmụaka. Or is there another way to say it? Norma. Saaka.
Saaka.
Great. So wash your hands is ụmụaka or saaka. Neto, this one is for you. How do you say comb your hair in Igbo?
Rantutu.
Rantutu. Yes. Or raisi.
Oraisi.
Raisi.
Raisi.
Rantutu.
Rantutu.
Good. Who can tell me what is nail in Igbo?
Mbo.
Mbo. Great. So what is cut your nails?
Fechia mbo.
No?
I don't know.
Okay.
Amawo.
Okay. Wambo.
Wambo.
Great. So Neto, what is barb your hair in Igbo?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. What is hair?
Isi.
On tutu, right?
Yes.
Okay, so barb your hair is boisi.
Boisi.
Some people say pachaisi.
Or pachaisi.
Great.
Wow, lovely hair.
Yeah, her hair is braided. So Ona, how do you say plait your hair or braid your hair in Igbo?
I don't know.
In Igbo we say keisi
Keisi.
or paisi.
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 Noma, what's this man doing?
Shaving his beard.
Can you say shave your beard in Igbo?
No.
Okay, Ona, can you?
Mba.
Okay, say ọcha afọọnụ.
Ọcha afọọnụ. Ọcha afọọnụ.
I think this lady is washing her hair. So what is wash your hair in Igbo?
I don't know.
Wash your hair is sa isi
Saisi.
or sa ntutu.
Sa.
Wash your hair. So what's this man doing?
He's washing his face.
So what's wash your face in Igbo? You know?
No.
Okay, it means saihu.
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 Okay, great. So wear your glasses means puru ugegbe anya.
Bu ikeana.
Ugegbe anya.
Aya.
Yiri ọla ntị.
Yiri ọla ntị.
Yiri yeri ntị.
Yiri yeri ntị.
Okay, that's put on your earring. Put on your shoes is yiri akpụkpọ ụkwụ.
Yiri akpụkpọ ụkwụ.
Or gbara akpụkpọ ụkwụ.
Bawa akpụkpọ ụkwụ.
Good. put on your clothes is yiri efe
Yiri efe.
or yiri akwa.
Yiri aqua.
Apply body lotion in Igbo is te ude.
Te ude.
Te ude.
Te ude.
Yes. Now it's quiz time. What do the following words mean? Sa, yiri, wa, buru, te, wa or wacha, ke or ba. At this point, you can pause the video and think of the answers before you continue playing to reveal the answers. Now for the answers. Sa means wash. Yiri means put on or wear. Wa means barb or shave. Buru means put on. Te means apply. Wa or bacha means cut. We use it for nails. Ke or ba means braid or plait. Now to the next question. What are the Igbo words for these parts of the body? In Igbo, body is called ahu or aro. Face, teeth, eye, hands. Nails, feet or leg, ears, hair, head. This video has all the answers to this question. Go over the video again, taking note of all the parts of the body. They appear like this. Thanks a lot for joining us for this lesson. It's been nice having you around. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and download the free printable worksheet. It's linked down in the description below. We're saying bye.